Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Crazy Brave 6913. Today we have another unboxing. We have the Master Airbrush machine. And more specifically, we're talking about this one right here. You can find this one on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. We're going to do the unboxing on this one. If you're going to want to see the actual video of me trying out this machine, you're going to have to wait a little bit. If anything, go ahead and subscribe and like the video so you guys could actually see me try it out for the first time, and my first time ever airbrushing on Frankenstein's head here. This is one of the biggest projects I've ever done. I'm very proud of it, and you can see it come to life literally from paper and glue, and a little bit just paper and glue honestly, and up here in one of the corners, I forget which one, but yeah, have a look, take a look. Very happy with it. But let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Let me put this back. Alright, so this is the box. It's pretty big. You're not going to be able to see the whole thing. I'm just going to open it, and as I unbox it, I'll drop it in front of you to see. Knife safety, guys. Always put your knife away. Don't cut yourself or the people around you, or the pets around you. Okay, let me move this aside. The first thing you're gonna see up here is their business card, I'm guessing, and a little QR code for you guys if you guys want to check it out on their website. You also get how to airbrush, like a little guide right here. It's the back of it. So like a little instruction manual for you to follow along. Definitely going to be using that. Let's see. Oh yeah. And there's two big boxes inside this big one right here. I'm going to put this one of them down to show you what's on the blank one. This one doesn't have any insignias all the way around. I'm guessing this is probably going to need to be the paints and the extra stuff. I'm going to need that knife again. Alright, so we have a white box up on top. The first thing you see is going to be a white box like this, made in China. And inside of this box, there's going to be the stand so you could hang your airbrush. I guess it can go something like that. Right. I like this one because you can clamp it to a table, because I only have one desk to work with, so this is really handy for me to just clamp it on the side and have more desk area. So here you go. All right, put that down over here. Next, you can get some mixing cups. It's 50 count. The Master Airbrush itself, model G44. Open it, take a look. Next, I'm guessing this is a piece that goes maybe on the tank. So if you really don't have any space, you could maybe attach this to your tank and then put the gun in there. Put that over here to the right. Air cord. Mixing sticks, you got 50 count as well. Airbrush cleaner. It's a 4-ounce bottle. An airbrush coupler, I'm guessing this is the quick release. The cleaning pot. And I'm gonna guess that these are the colors right here. Yep. Let's see, does it tell you how many it comes with? comes with 24 colors because there's one box here and there's another box here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show you some of these colors. Bright red. Coffee brown. White. Bright yellow. Dark brown. Alright, so that's box number 1. Go ahead and throw some trash in here. And then the next one, the bigger one, this is probably going to be the container right here. I mean the compressor, my bad. As you open it, there's another card. Thinking it's the same thing. In case you guys want to go to the website. Put those together. Okay, so there's a handle. So there's a handle right here that you want to actually use while you're pulling it out. You don't want to go and start pulling on random things and maybe, you know, detaching stuff or fucking up your machine. So just grab it from that handle and you know, pull it out. Alright, there you go. I went ahead and I got the one with the reserve tank in the bottom so I could spray paint for, I wouldn't have this loud engine going the whole time. Honestly, I still need to have a lot to learn, so I'm not going to sit here and bullshit you, tell you that I know how to do this or how it works. I'm still learning myself. But as in for the unboxing, you already saw it yourself. Let me give you another shot of what it looks like here at the table. As in for everything you get in the box, it's right here. I think it's a pretty good deal just to start yourself off with a good set amount. I mean, if you're an artist and you know that you suck at painting, you know, or you know, you just want to try a new way to paint, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was very informative to you. It informs your purchase, because honestly, there's just some things that you rather see up close, and the pictures on Amazon don't really, you know, do it very well. Thank you guys for hanging out. I hope you guys enjoy that. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Thank you guys. Bye.